everyone, welcome to our product demo for the Bell Electrodes. These are the bells right here. So what might you use the Bell Electrodes for? Well, we like to talk about the Bell Electrodes as portable conductive pads. The reason is that they do plug in like the conductive pads and have two separate wires, allowing you to keep them apart while also treating two areas. So what you can do with these is you can hold one on an area of pain, the highest point of pain for example, and then you can go out in different directions with the other bell to deal with painting out the active zones and getting rid of the inflammatory pockets in the body. So with that said, this is probably the best feature of the bells. Being able to cover large areas of the body with painting and have a grounding point for that highest area of pain is great for treating the back, your legs, any large areas of scar tissue as well. Being able to place one bell on the beginning point of a scar and then painting across it like so can really cut down on the amount of time you spend dealing with the patient or yourself. Other protocols that are really popular with the bells would be the respiratory protocol for treating your lungs and the Pirogov's ring protocol, both of which are a little cumbersome to perform with other electrodes because you're trying to do small motions or to avoid certain areas of the body, and you don't have the control with the bigger electrodes that you get with these. Being able to place one of these as a ground on the back of your neck and just simply glide over your neck like this, dodging what you need to dodge, is a great time saver. And people will often find that they can perform protocols in half the time simply by using the Bell Electrodes. One last feature of the bells that I wouldn't want to miss out on is the ability to treat both sides of the body at the same time. If you're dealing with the face, you can work like so, symmetrically, and cut down on time with facelifts. And you can also do the same thing with different areas of pain on the body, right? If you're dealing with your legs that are both hurting, you can treat both legs at the same time with the Bell Electrodes. So that's it. Thank you for joining me for this product demo on the bells. If you have any questions about the Bell Electrodes and how they work, please drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help you.